Do you love giraffes? What about having a breakfast with them? Come to Nairobi to have the wonderful experience of dining with giraffes. Giraffe Manor is an iconic boutique hotel set in a leafy suburb of Nairobi. Owned and operated by the Safari Collection, there are 12 individually decorated rooms, offering first-class comfort and the feeling of staying in an elegant family home. The charming herd of resident Rothschild's giraffes roam the surrounding sanctuary and give guests unique, once-in-a-lifetime encounters over breakfast and afternoon tea when they can be fed by hand. The retreat at Giraffe Manor, found on the same property, gives guests access to a stunning pool and wellness facilities. Built in 1932, Giraffe Manor is the oldest of the Safari Collection's properties and was modeled on a Scottish hunting lodge. The elegant long-legged giraffes have roamed its lawns since the 1970s when Jock and Betty Leslie-Melville first adopted an orphaned Rothschild's giraffe called Daisy. Tanya and Mikey Carr-Hartley bought the manor in April 2009. Since then it has become a globally recognized hotel. Days are warm and nights are cold here. March to May and mid-October to December are rainy seasons in Nairobi. Therefore, Nairobi in June, July, and August are perfect for a holiday with temperatures dipping as low as 35°F. Hope you have enjoyed our video. Subscribe our channel for more such interesting contents.